Hello, my name is Outlaw. Ah! Howdy y'all, you crazy mother truckers out there. Dude, I'm in the garage today, and I think it's time to clean this sumbitch. I've got a lay down duck blind in the frickin' Chevelle motor compartment. I've got decoys. I've got crap all over the place, paperwork, guns on top of the frickin' car. I mean, just stuff all over the frickin' place. I've got blood all over the garage floor. That's what happens whenever you leave goose meat out overnight on accident. Apologize. This garage is just a freaking mess, and we need to start working on this Chevelle a little bit more because I just got this back, and we need to get it ready because it's going to be sandblasted soon, and it's going to be sandblasted and primered and all this kind of stuff because we got some cool plans for this. This is Rob's 1964 Chevelle, if you guys watch the videos and crap, but yeah, plenty to do in the garage today, so I think we're going to do a little bit of cleaning up, and might do some stuff on this as well, so stick with us, see what happens. Bam! There she blows. All right, we cleaned it up real good, man. We cleaned it up real good. Look at this. Got to freaking love it. Nice clean walkway now. We got all around the truck. Follow me. Or the car, excuse me. All around the car so we can work on it perfectly without anything in the freaking way. We still got, you know, Dan's still got a coming. Look at all these bottles of fluid we got. Just all different types of stuff. Look at that brake fluid's a little frozen. But, and then the workbench here, I gotta get Dan over because I don't know what he wants and where he wants it and all the scrap, so. But we got everything at least clear around so we can start working on this thing. The next thing for this, of course, if you don't know, this is Rob Lunker's TV 1964 Chevelle. And we're doing a few things for it. We fixed the wiring. We had to redo all the gosh dang wiring. That's what all this is, so. Rewired the distributor. The only thing we got to rewire now is Dang's got to wire in the dash for all the dash lights and stuff like that. So everything else is wired up, alternator, distributor, starter. The only thing we got to do now to get it running, we got it running, you know, a little bit, but the fuel's a little bit weird. So this is pinched. This fuel line right here is pinched in the back. So we're going to replace that. It's pinched right here, so we definitely gotta replace that. It's probably a quick fix by whoever had it before. So we're gonna replace that fuel line, going to the PCV here, and then we need a new fuel pump, so we're gonna do that. And you know, we'll probably just do all new fuel lines and then check the carb and everything like that. And hopefully we'll be able to get her started and it'll actually run pretty good. And we are gonna do a new alternator as well. We just gotta get the right one. We had to hook it up kind of weird because it's got the different plug-in in the back. So once we get the fuel and everything figured out, which we're gonna do this week, I ordered the fuel pump and all the fuel line and everything like that. So that should be here later today, and then we'll do that probably, hopefully this weekend or something. Then Dan will come wire up the dash. That's not super important right now. But we got the new tires on the front here. We don't have them on the back yet because the backs aren't flat. We just needed to roll them in. We got them over there. And I was gonna throw them on right now, but I think Dan came and took his red jack for work. So I don't have, I mean, I might have another jack around here somewhere, but I don't have a jack to lift the back up to get them tires on. So maybe I'll just have Bro lift the son bitch. We get the new wheels on, we get it started and running, and then I'm gonna take it to my body guy. And the body on this thing isn't too bad. It's pretty solid. And what we're gonna do is, in my opinion, I don't think that we should paint this thing. I told Rob, I think we should sandblast it down, primer, give it a nice primer again, just fix a little dings and everything that'll really stand out, which I don't know if there's really much, you know, a little surface rust on the top, but that's, you know, I don't think there's too many, you know, bad. I mean, that's a little bad. Might just have to sand that down a little bit. But what we're gonna do, sandblast it, primer it, and then I wanna wrap it in matte black. We were gonna go with an OD green color, but I was thinking the OD green might be weird. Might look a little bit weird with these chrome wheels. So I'm thinking matte black, and then we might throw some logos on there for them and stuff like that. And I think it'll look freaking sweet. So, and then the biggest thing is the interior. Check this out, man. Interior, we got the front seat out because he was wiring, but interior is no bueno. Gonna have to order a bunch of this stuff, gonna have to reupholster the seats, gonna have to do new vinyl on the floors or carpet, whatever he wants to do. I don't think the back seat, the seats and everything are in good condition, so it just needs to be reupholstered. But there's a bunch of weird welds on the floor, so they're gonna have to do something with that. Where they put the tranny through, this new gosh dang drag tranny, they just cut the floor out and bent the metal over and shit, so they're gonna have to do something with that and make that all nice. But yeah, so that's gonna be the biggest part, is the interior. And you know, we'll whenever we spray primer and everything like that, we'll go in the door jambs and everything, and should be pretty sweet. But luckily all the windows and everything are good and all that stuff. So but yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing in the next week or so, and getting this thing running. I need to get this gosh dang thing out of here, man. All right, we're at the K20. I haven't even touched this thing in a week. I put this air filter back on, cleaned it off as best I could, and I try to start this thing, get it off the trailer, just so I can have it off, because I need to work on this thing this weekend so I can get it running, because I got a surprise. Whoa. Well, that's not good. Fuck. Well, as you saw, something's up with the freaking carb, the timing. I don't know. I just gotta look more in depth. So got to get it off the trailer, but use the Duramax to pull it off, which this should be fun. At least it's super long, so.
All right, slow, ready?
Yeah, very slow. Oh shit.
You good? Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yep. Good. Good.
Oh, thank God. Freaked me out because brakes on that damn thing aren't that good. Dude, you see how hard it was to push that damn brake? Oh, I was like this. Trying to push that damn brake down. Holy shit. All right, well, we got it at the garage. Now this weekend I can do some work on it, and we'll get her freaking started up and working, because I got big plans for this sumbitch. Oh, sorry, bro.
Ooh.
No need to go to the gym. Just come out and mow your trailer up. Great shoulder workout. All right, let's go tell y'all what the tits my plans are for the K20. Oh, Delta! Delta! Delta Airlines! I don't know what that was all about. Since when did Delta become Japanese? Freaking lot of work for a truck that can't start. Man, I'm about in luck with vehicles right now. K20 won't start. K5 won't start. It's not looking good. 64 won't start. By the way, word of advice. Oh, I should probably turn my key off. Don't ever leave mud like this on your truck. It's just not a good idea. We were filming a commercial, and you know, I just left it like this. You should always wash your truck, like, you know, after you go mud and stuff like that, because it's just, you know, you respect your vehicular, you do it. Me, I just didn't do this son of a bitch. All right, you guys, we got the K20 down finally. We got all the trucks out there now except C10. That's missing because, you know, that's in the shop getting painted. It's gonna be fun, but For those of you guys asking, that Subaru out there, that's Dan's. He's actually moving it back to his place this weekend. But the K20, baby. That is my 1985 K20. It's been a pain in the ass ever since I took it mudding. I just went completely hard and fucked something up. But it hasn't wanted to start since the place. It almost feels like my timing's off or something. It's weird. But anyways, not going off what's bad. I'll fix that shit this weekend. The truck itself, I have an idea for the sumbitch, okay? Let me know if you guys think this is a good idea. Okay, now that I've had that big old freaking LED light bar, here, let's go back inside because, you know, it's super windy out here. Now that I've had that big old 54-inch LED curved light bar on the Bourbon, you know, I've actually started to like the KC version of light bars more. Okay, got a picture up for you here. Those light bars are just tits money. I'm thinking, why not put a big old rack of those on the front of that K20 right there, make it look tits money, light up everything that we're doing. And I've seen some trucks with them on and they look sexy as hell, right? So that's one thing. The main thing, that's just one thing that I've been thinking about for a long time, but the main thing that I want to do to the sumbitch is I want to wrap it. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 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 my name is Outlaw. I don't give a shit about any of y'all. Just that you subscribe to my gosh dang channel. If you don't do that, then I'm gonna put you on a panel of judges and they will figure out whether or not to kill you. If you don't want to do that, then you and I can just throw in a chew. Shit. Cut the part out. But I'm thinking about wrapping the subbitch. Now, it's black right now. It looks good, man. I mean, of course, it's all muddy and shit right now, but it looks black. It's good. It's nice. The paint's good. But I'm thinking about wrapping the sumbitch in a camo. Now, not just any camo. I'm thinking about doing like a black and white style camo. Maybe kind of like a faded camo or something where you can just barely tell it's camo, or maybe go all out. Another camo I was thinking about doing was like a blaze orange camo, like you know, something like, you know, like a cherry picker here, just some blaze orange crazy camo, like orange and black. I think that would be sick too, because I don't see too many trucks that are, I love orange. Actually, believe it or not, a lot of you mother truckers probably think my favorite color is yellow, but it's not. Actually, my favorite color is orange, like bright ass orange. When I was younger, actually, Brolaw's favorite color is legit yellow, ain't it? Yep. Yellow. So mine's orange, and I've always loved orange. I got like old pictures of me, and I just only wanted to buy orange clothes. My email address used to be orangedude@hotmail or whatever it was. So, you know, maybe doing like a badass orange camo, like blaze orange camo would be sick. So I don't know. Let me know you guys' you know, what am I trying to think of, Brolaw?
I don't know.
You know, their opinions. Gosh dang, you gotta be. Oh. All right, so anyway, so let me know your opinions in the comments below on what to do, you know, with that wrap. Once I get it started and stuff this weekend, I want to drop it over at the wrap place and get to rapping, baby. You know what I'm saying? Yo, 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 my name is Boyce. My parents tell me not to chew, but it is my choice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drop top, hot top, ding a ding a ding a zing a ding dop. All right, well, we got the garage cleaned up today, so we can start working on this sumbitch. Gang's coming over this weekend. We're gonna do some of the stuff on this thing, try to get her started up. We're gonna fix that K20. I gotta order a new battery for that thing. I gotta order a new battery for the K5. Gotta do those things, man. We got like tons of batteries back there. We just got shit all over the gosh dang place. So we gotta get organized. We've been disorganized all over the gosh dang place, so. Yeah, man. Hey, if you like the videos, make sure to hit that gosh dang subscribe button. I love you mother truckers, man. Seriously, I'm so thankful for you guys and everything, you know, continuing to watch the videos all the time and stuff like that. I love reading all y'all's comments. I love when you guys smash that freaking like button. So it's gonna be a fun time, man. And we got plenty of videos to come up. Oh, and new stuff coming up. I mean, I just wrapped the new gosh dang Outlaw album last night in the studio. So get hyped up, baby. Yeah. All right, y'all. We'll see you on the damn side. Keep it freaking hill, Billy. Holler.
Land of the big bucks is where I'll be. I got shine in the storms as far as you can see. Country Al Capone, to find me you need a drone. Walk up in my woods and get brought into the dome. I got frog gigs, trot lines, catfish hooks, and sharpened buck tines. All for you. If you cross me for the last time, put you down together.